Hello and welcome back to another Avantio news. We're going to cover all the updates to your vacation rental software in February and take a look at what's to come next month. Find out how to boost guest loyalty, optimizing your guest area, and also how a digital marketing team can help you increase direct bookings. How can Avantio's digital marketing team help your business stand out? Our dedicated vacation rental specialists are experts in your market and have all the tools on hand to help you. Contact your customer success representative to find out how we can work with you. How can you get more out of the guest area feature? The guest area gives your guests easy access to all booking information, including property details, local area guides, and personalized tips. You can also use this feature to facilitate repeat bookings and upsell personalized extras to your guests, automating your marketing and direct booking strategies. We've made several new updates to this feature, so review your guest area settings and make sure your profile is up to date and everything is clear for your guests. Moving on, we have a quick reminder that the Opportunities tool has been upgraded with several new features. This function is an easy way to promote your properties directly to previous and prospective guests. Put together a personalised and engaging proposal with properties that perfectly meet your guests' criteria. Start using the Opportunities tool to convert more direct bookings today. We want to draw your attention back to the Operations Management tool. Many Avantio clients are already taking advantage of these features, including the option to create manual tasks, either generically or assigned to specific properties. You can also configure your extras so that operational tasks are created and assigned automatically as soon as a booking is made. That's it from us for February. Thanks to everyone who came to the Academy in Valencia. We'll be back soon with more updates. In the meantime, subscribe to YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn for updates on your vacation rental software. I'm Jamie. See you next time.